Oh, that looks beautiful, Fred.
Thank you, Gordon.
Now, this is the moment.
I'm looking forward to this. The smell of this. Oh.
And that is what I call a Moroccan tangier.
Look at the colour.
Beautiful.
As well as my succulent beef tangier, flavoured with saffron and preserved lemon, our Christmas spread includes Gino's slow-roasted beetroot and goat's cheese salad, drizzled with honey.
That's it.
And a mountain of steamed seasonal vegetables on a bed of couscous. Fresh herbs and spices infuse every dish with Moroccan magic.
Guys, it wouldn't be Christmas without tipple. This is called a desert crossing.
Cauliflower smells delicious.
15 ml of saffron liquor, and about 15 ml of gin,
That's enough. Thank you.
the champagne,
We're listening. We're listening.
and 10 ml of lemon.
Nice.
Here you are.
Let's do the
Thank you
cauliflower.
for
Gordon, a desert crossing for you.
A desert crossing. Thank you.
For you, mon ami.
Love the colour.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Taste the tangier.
Yes.
Close your eyes
Oh, beautiful.
and put that tangier in your mouth. What comes to mind? First impressions.
Okay. Super tender. It must be because all the spices, it must be because of the slow cooking. Now I
Very,
want
very
you to do exactly the same with the cauliflower. Close your eyes.
Put on my fork.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm missing my wife. What a Christmas feast. Everything was just exceptional. It was different, but one of the best that I personally had. Pull the cracker. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Make sure the quiff is above the crown. That's it.
Guys, I want to play a game. Who am I? I play that with my kids all the time. So what we do, we write a name on our hat, and the others are going to try and guess what we've written.
Can I go first?
All right,
I'll write one on, and this one's going on Gino. Got it?
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay. Old or young? what was that?
I used to be in love with her when I was a boy.
Okay. What was that?
Okay. Wait.
Yeah. Big knockers. Big boobies.
Yes.
Pamela Anderson. Yes.
Well done.
That's a good one. Okay, now your turn. This is one of my real heroes. Okay?
Yes. Male or female?
Male.
Now,
Yeah.
Italian.
He wishes.
Okay.
Okay, let me. I'll help you out. Oh, mate. So this is how you do it. You just put a few nuts. Oi, pacca. That is pacca.
Jamie Oliver.
Yes.
Cheers.
Salute,
This,
salute.
this cocktail's amazing, by the way.
Cheers,
Now,
thank you.
It's going to my head.
Christmas will be Christmas without.
Magical. It doesn't really matter where you are. If you are with the right people, you're gonna have a hell of a time. That's fantastic.
How beautiful is that?
What a week we've just had. I've experienced things that I've never, ever dreamt of before. My favorite part was when we went to see the family in the middle of the desert. They shared everything with us, and this is the spirit of Christmas. It took me forever to find these, Gordon.
Where did you get the size?
It's been an amazing Moroccan Christmas week. Of course, I love the boys, but my real Christmas starts tomorrow with my family.
Let's listen to some music. Nice
Oh, good
music.
idea, Gino.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to guess a song that we know. Be
But is this-
patient. Beautiful.
Driving home for Christmas. I can't wait to see those faces. Woohoo! Driving home for Christmas.
Yeah, me too, I don't know the words.
Come on.
Driving home for Christmas. Listen, I need to ask you something. It's
Yes.
been bothering me. Where are we gonna go next?
Do you want to know?
Yes.
Guess what, guys?
Go on.
We're going to...